Welcome to qnawire.
In this problem, we've got a laser right here, and a laser beam is emanating from it, striking a mirror shown right here, and eventually being reflected back onto what is here of the floor. And we want to find out what is the distance between this point at which it strikes the floor and the mirror right here. So we want to find out this distance, which I'm going to call x. And we have been told that the angle at which the laser beam strikes the mirror, the angle of incidence is 33, which immediately tells us that this angle of reflection is also 33. And then we're also told that the distance between the laser and the mirror, the horizontal distance, is 1.1 meters, and the height of the laser above the floor, the total height, is 1.8 meters. And you can see that I've broken up this total height into two distances, y1 and y2. So y1 denotes distance, the height of the laser above this normal to the mirror, and the height y2 denotes the height of this normal from the floor. So we start by saying that the angle between the mirror and the laser beam is going to be 57 because we subtract 33 from 90, because this total angle should be 90. And that tells us that if we take the tangent of 57, that should give us the opposite height, which is 1.1, over the adjacent, which we called y1. So that gives us our first equation, which is the tangent of 57 equals 1.1 over y1. And solving that, because we can find out the tangent of 57, this gives us the value of y1 being equal to 0.714 meters. And then we can move on and say that applying the same logic, we can say that this angle is also 57. So the tangent of 57 again is going to be, well, the opposite this time is x, and the height adjacent to it is y2. And x is actually the thing that we're interested in, and y2 is something that we can figure out because we know y1 and we know the sum of y1 and y2. So subtracting y1 from 1.8 should give us the value of y2, that's 0.714, and this gives us 1.09, which is the value of y1, which is the value of y2. And substituting that, so this is y2, and substituting that back in this equation right here, so that will give us tangent of 57 equals x over 1.09. So this becomes x over 1.09. This is an equation which we can solve because we have tangent of 57 is a value that we can calculate, and multiplying that by 1.09 will give us the value of x, which will come out to be 1.67 meters. And that is the distance from the mirror to the point at which the laser beam hits the floor.